Arena Breakout Infinite Northridge waiting area lounge key. In this quick video, I'll show you where it is, what's inside, and most importantly, if it's worth it. This key, at least during the test, was the most expensive key around, so let's really see what's hiding behind it. If you're looking for this key or anything in Arena Breakout, make sure to check out the maps linked in the description down below. These fully interactive maps created by yours truly. Simply come across here, type in what you want. So in our case, we're looking for the waiting. Just by typing anywhere and clicking it, bam, it takes us straight to where it is. This is in the cable car station, the most confusing area of the map, on the first underground level. So you'll go from the first level down the stairs to the underground level, and here you'll find the safe behind the door. There's a ton of safes and action in this super dangerous area. One over here, one behind a key here. So you're definitely going to meet some pushback when you're in the area. Anyways, let's mark it on the in-game map and get across there. So map, cable car station, and we'll right click plus minus the right area. Alright, so approaching this big area here, what we'll be doing is heading into the back area over there and downstairs. There's a few ways to do it, for which you'll see listed on my map, of course, and of course some extra loot spread around the place that's probably worth checking while you're here. We'll eventually reach the bottom of this massive building, which we can either enter over there or preferably using the backside here if you don't want to be seen by the AI. Either way, you will likely be spotted as there's tons of AI around you. What you need to do is head down exactly one floor, so down to here, this viewing observation deck, and to your right, you'll find this area here, just underneath these main stairs, turning back before we go down to the cable car here, or there. This room on the left is what we're looking for. Unlocking the most expensive room, at least now. We have inside of this room, loose loot on the close shelf here. On the middle, loose loot again. On the back side of the middle, maybe more. And on the far left of the room, we've got two military computers here, which for me hopefully contain something. Nope. And as well as a jacket on the opposite wall. More cash. Perfect. We can extract now. And finally, the safe over here. This safe opens instantly as an electronic safe, and inside of it, hopefully some good stuff. Cash, processor. Yeah, it's okay. Definitely nowhere near the price of this room, but I'll take it anyways. Yeah, that's pretty much that. This area is probably the most dangerous area on the map besides the main hotel, as there's tons of loot, a few safes and things like that to get. So of course, people are going to love coming to this place. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.